Okay. Did you know there are people who only play games that are at least 200 years old?
Yeah. It's called dueling monsters, right?
No, that's more like a million years old.
No, it's still, you said more than 200, and last I remembered, I might be wrong. I know math isn't my strong suit, but I will say, I think a million is more than 200.
That could be true.
Yeah. I mean, I'm no Einstein, I'm no Isaac Newton, you know, but I've heard that 2 billion is more than 200.
How will I ever hit that one?
I guess you're just gonna have to go home.
It's impossible. I can't hit it. I don't want to be here anymore.
Great Deku Tree, what will I do?
Here. How would you forsake me like
Zelda,
this?
you must kill me. What? You Z?
I can't do it.
Oh my god, Great Deku Tree, you help me. No.
Okay. Oh, I love these moments of no gameplay.
Yeah. It makes you really love the game.
Yeah, this really makes you dream of when the game starts happening.
Yeah. Ah, you did the swirly.
Why didn't that kill it?
You hit its front.
No, I didn't.
You can only go through its back door, okay?
No. I can do whatever I want.
That's true.
Ow! I killed it, big spider.
You killed the big spider. What if Steve Irwin was in this world?
But why? Who? What?
You don't know who Steve Irwin is?
I don't know anyone.
That's the dude who goes, "Crikey, look at that."
Oh,
fella."
yeah, that guy. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Don't die.
I just haven't thought about him.
Squishy. Squishy, don't die. Please. Please don't die. Please. Please don't die.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
That's what I like to hear. You know, you could use some of those as weapons.
What? What are you talking about?
Yeah, let's see. Which one is it? Yeah. That. You can use that as a weapon. You can stun the enemy. You can use...
Haku not.
Yeah. Kanchan, this is my nut.
Oh my god.
This is my trademark nut. Deku, will you please shut the fuck up?
I knew you were thinking of something like that when you started laughing though.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Pretty cool. The creator of My Hero Academia just needs to go into the marketing business and just do that.
Yeah, they really need to capitalize on what they did.
Yeah, exactly.
Can I go any faster? What if I want to go faster? Did the game even think about that when they made it? I think this game is terrible.
You can probably do it as, you know what? Never mind.
What?
I was gonna maybe spoil something.
What?
But I'm not.
What do you mean? You've never played this game.
Exactly. That's why I'm afraid of saying anything. I'm afraid I'll spoil myself.
I'm afraid I'll accidentally say the right thing.
I'm afraid if I go to a movie and just think about how the movie will end, then I'll think it'll be spoilers.
Oh, spoilers! Ha ha ha! Hey! Boonga-linga-linga-loonga.
Oh, he coughed on you.
Quiet. I didn't know plants could do that.
He's a filthy creature.
He's a filthy plant. He's a government plant.
Yeah. You're gonna have like Alex Jones or whatever saying, the government's now planting plants that's gonna fucking burp on you. Don't let them, they're gonna burp on you and turn you and your kids gay.
Okay. Wow. That's pretty good.
Like when they put chemicals in the water to turn the friggin' frogs gay.
You said that already.
He did indeed say that. That is an iconic quote from him.
Yeah. What is that? Is that a burning, flaming hell spawn?
It is. It's the ghost.
Why would they put this in the game for children?
It's the ghost slider.
That's scary. Why is that here? I don't want to play it anymore.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure flaming skulls have some sort of religious context, and Nintendo made a promise to never put any religious stuff in their games, so, yeah. What's up with that, Nintendo? Something you want to tell us?
What did you do?
Did somebody hurt you when you were a child, Nintendo?
What did you do?
When I was a young boy, my father hurt me when I was playing N64. And he said Nintendo is for
Very nice people.
You're not allowed to say that.
He said that Sega is the real way to go. I said, but father, video games is for everyone. He just shook his head and looked so disappointed.
Okay.
What if the Joker was an epic gamer?
I thought you were gonna say, what if the Joker was in Ocarina of Time?
He's an ex-boss.
Yeah. This grass grows back pretty quick.
Maybe it's the Great Deku Tree.
What's to keep me from being
here
in farming? What's to keep me from farming money here all day? I could get infinite money.
Well, I mean, you can, but you can only build up like, I don't know, friggin' like $50 or something.
Why not? Why wouldn't I do that?
Oh, I don't know. I hear tale that children sometimes have limited wallets.
I hear tell that children have a limited attention span and they wouldn't farm these. Miyamoto knew that they would never sit here and farm for 2 hours.
Which is why he added a $500 pay to win.
anyone who sits here doing this for 2 hours has to pay $500 to continue playing.
You have to pay $500 for the extra Ocarina of Time super ending, which is on a new cartridge. You have to play the N64, and when you get midway through the game, you have to yank the cartridge out and then put in the fresh one while the system is still on.
Yeah, they call it
stupid.
Yeah. Please forgive me.
No, then you didn't say the word.
Okay. Well, aren't you supposed to read it?
Please forgive me, sir. I'll never do it again. If you spare me, I'll teach you something cool. My nose has multiple purposes.
Okay.
You will never beat my brothers up ahead unless you punish them in the correct order.
Okay.
The order is 2, 3, and 1.
The order is
23 is number 1.
The order is.
Do you think I'm a traitor?
Yeah.
I'm a traitor to my clan.
Am I missing something? Isn't there a thing I'm missing?
Well, I mean, there was a door you missed up there, yeah.
Yeah, what's in that door again?
I don't remember. What was in that door?
Is it important?
I can't remember.
Okay.
It was probably a compass.
Do I need that?
Well, that shows where you are on the map, and that shows like treasure locations.
I probably need that then.
It might be nice, yes.
I guess I need to go all the way back.
Yep.
Ah.
The government's planting plans to burp on. That's just him saying the government's putting plans out there to burp on you and turn your freaking children gay. Turn your children into little Transformers.
Oh, you can't say that.
You can censor it. And plus, do you give me permission to say it?
No.
Oh. Well, I guess I'm gonna go into hiding after these episodes.
I intentionally won't censor it so that you don't get in trouble. I have the power now.
No, please. No, please. No, please. Don't do that. Please tell me you're censor it. Please. Please tell me you censor it.
Please, I'll do anything.
Please censor me. I'll never say, oh, fuck, no.
Which story is there? Is it this one? It's not this. Then which one is it?
It's way up top.
No, I don't want to go up top again.
Well, then just go ahead and go up there, teleport there instantly using the power of video editing.
Okay.
Wow, you did it! Look at that!
I made it! Oh my god. It's this door.
Yeah!
I was right. I was expecting to be wrong.
Now you can leave.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me go.
Okay.
Can I burn this?
You burn the whole Deku tree. Deku tree's outside. Oh, I'm burning! Someone help me!
Why did you do that? Why did you do that, Zelda?
I thought you were the chosen one!
I wanted to die, but not like this.
Ba 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 ba.
You found a compass.
You found the compass.
Now you'll know where to go. What's so funny?
It just does sounds, like makes real cool sounds.
He does that in every game.
Huh?
He does that in every game.
He does. What? No, he doesn't do it in the Legend of
What
Zelda.
if there was a secret where if you did this in the right spot, you could break open the game?
You could break open Ganon's skull and beat the game.
What if there was a secret point in the game where Ganon was invisible behind you and you could break his skull and win the game?
Yeah. That'd be epic.
That's-
That would be so epic! Yeah.
I killed a spider.
Great Deku Tree, I killed a spider. Are you proud of me?
Right, that could be.
As long as it wasn't the one guarding the
I did it.
As long as it wasn't the one guarding the treasure chest, that was my own son.
That was gonna grow into the new Deku Tree
Yeah.
and continue to protect the world after I die.
He-
As long as he is alive, the world will be
the
safe.
world will flourish.
You have destroyed a gold skull. You got a token proving you've destroyed a gold skull.
Now I'm imagining Alex Jones on InfoWars going,
Alright, listen, people. We need to find the great Deku Tree sapling. If we do, it's our only chance to saving the world.
Yeah. Why can't I climb? Yeah. How do I get
because
up
you're
there?
rolling. Oh, never mind.
I did it!
You rolled into it.
I knew it would walk eventually. Why is this? Why do I have to do this again?
Because it's only for because fire is a liar. This game is cool.
That's the worst display of gaming I've ever seen
Yeah.
in my life.
I've seen toddlers with more experience and better, the game's better than that. Link was just bumbling. Zelda was bumbling. Why isn't it lighting?
That's what I meant to do. Why can't I get past?
Here we are, episode 30 of The Legend of Zelda, still stuck in the Great Deku Tree.
Yeah? Link, are you okay?
What if you fell and like hit like the one of your legs hit the ground and it said, and all of a sudden text pop up on the front that said, "Oops, you broke your leg."
Oops, you lost.
Oops, you broke your leg, and now it'll set up a mean infection because you fell in the water, and now you'll die.
Oh, I thought I killed this guy already.
He didn't. I mean, he just ran away because he was like, "Please remember."
He already told me that.
Remember, 21 is number 3.
21 is number 3.
Remember, you can press B to go quicker, is what I heard on the Nintendo or the.
One.
That's what that's
three.
what I read off of my Windows 95 PC. Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing I have on it.
On dial-up too.
I don't want to listen. After you get into the water, if you hold down A, you can dive. I bet there are some cool things in the water. You should go under there and stay there until you drown.
If you get into the water, you can press and hold A and die. You should try it. You'll respawn. Trust me.
It'll be fine. It'll be okay, Link. It'll be okay.
But my name is Zeldor.
You'll be okay. Don't worry. You won't get crushed.
Crushed again. Come on, hurry. It's not.
It doesn't work again? Why not?
It does. It's just.
Did I break the game?
See, it's gonna come down now.
Oh my god. This game is broken.
This game is too hard. Great Deku Tree, the game is broken. I can't save you.
The game must be broken. I think the game is broken.
I remember when I was a young lad.
What if they made it so in order to get under this you had to roll at the perfect time?
That'd be pretty cool. It'd be a good thing to teach you for rolling.
Why do I have to get the sword out first to do that?
I hear tale of a legend. You see, a child bought a cartridge of Ocarina of Time at a yard sale. And then, when he played it,
Stand next to the
every
block.
single time
Grab the block.
the Great Deku Tree spoke, he said, "The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken." He found it quite weird, but pressed on. And then, when Navi the fairy appeared, all she said was,
The game is broken. The game is broken.
The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken. The game is broken.
The game is broken.